Welcome, CNG, to the midweek check-in. This week, make sure to start working on Chapter 5, which is using Packet Tracer. The key point out of this one would be to just kind of view your way around it and then watch the video Packet Tracer tutorial that's only 10 minutes long. There is another an hour-long video. I would say it'd be a good idea to even watch that video so you have a deeper understanding of Packet Tracer itself. Once again, nothing's really submitted. Just make sure you do this. I guess I could make a Dropbox. Once you do watch it, I guess just submit the paper so I have something to grade to say, hey, look, you did watch the video. Make sure to submit that. I guess that'd be the best so you get a grade for something. Lab 4 with the video. Those kits are going to be hitting the shelves of your local bookstore soon. Make sure to grab one when you can as soon as possible. Or, like I said, the other option would be just to take a 0 on this one. Then through the grading schematic, this will be your dropped grade for every lab, but then you'd have to be accountable for every lab after that. In the lab assignments for last week, I just finished grading those. The biggest problem was the Class D IP. A few of you, and I give you feedback on this, a few of you identified it as Class D, but then you also put no, it's not a valid IP. But you should look back. If you're able to classify it, it is a valid IP. It's just you didn't know how to do, you didn't know what the subnet mask would be. But in the Class D, usually the subnet mask, the network admin comes up with that. But then when you put the network location or the network IP, it'll just be 27.7.0.0. And basically, if you put like a 255.255.255, that last 0 would change. If you put a 255.0.0, of course, it'd just be 27.0.0. But since it's a Class D, we can just assume that possibly 255.255.255.0. So yeah, if you're able to put it into a class, remember it is a valid IP. You just may need to figure out the subnet mask. And usually for the experimental and the multicast, it's usually up to the network admin. Let's see. For the most part, the workbook assignments look great. Keep on practicing those. Once again, the more you practice, the better off you're going to be in this class as we start to move into next week and the following weeks. Make sure to watch that video and look for the hour-long video. Break it up into at least a few weeks. I'll give you a few weeks to watch the whole hour video and maybe watch it a few times just so you retain a lot of that information. I'll do a check back later on this week. Have a good week.